Hello everyone, welcome to Literature Camp. If your subject is English literature and if you intend to prepare for UGC NET June 2024, this video is going to be very much helpful. I am Debarghya Chakraborty. In this video, I am going to talk about 3 months best strategy and free crash course to qualify UGC NET June 2024. So let's start this video. Number one point that we need to keep in mind is the preparation for UGC NET examination needs your 100% attention, your undivided attention. For example, if a candidate has completed his master's degree, she or he is preparing for other competitive examinations, and at the same time, she wants to or he wants to prepare for UGC NET examination. So you are dividing your attention. You are doing mistake. Because UGC NET examination, you know very much well, your subject is English literature, the syllabus is never ending. It needs your 100% undivided attention. So number one point, you need to invest, you need to pay your full energy for the preparation of UGC NET examination. Second point, read all the 10 units. You have seen the syllabus, there are 10 units in the syllabus. Very limited candidates, they read all the units. They do not read about unit 5, unit 6, unit 8, unit 9, unit 10. They do not read. They only read the first 4 units. Questions come from all the units, so we need to read all the 10 units well to qualify. Next point, point number 3, read paper 1. Yes, I know your subject is English literature, you are not that much good in mathematics, but there are 10 units in paper 1. You need to read to qualify UGC NET examination, and paper 1 does matter. It is the heart of the matter to qualify UGC NET examination, and I will make a separate video where I shall discuss how you can use free resources, online resources, YouTube lectures for paper 1 only. Alright. So next point, point number 4, make a study plan. Make a study plan and read every day. So how should you read? You need to make notes. Making notes is very important. You are reading, you are writing, then again you are forgetting, you are again rereading. It's a process. If you write it down, all the points, trust me, somehow all the informations you are making notes, that will be intact in your unconscious. So making notes is very much important. And again, you need to practice MCQ questions, previous year questions. For instance, if you read The Age of Chaucer, then practice MCQs on that section, on Age of Chaucer. Then you will see you are adding more informations on Age of Chaucer to your knowledge. You are adding informations to your knowledge, to your note. So you need to make notes, you need to practice MCQs. If you follow this process and if you read every day for 3 months, definitely it is easy to qualify UGC NET examination. And if you are new to my channel, let me tell you, I have created this channel, Literature Camp, for the preparation of UGC NET and SET in English literature. I am Debarghya Chakraborty. I have qualified 3 times in a row, and if you have internet pack, you can simply watch the classes. But before June, I will finish all the units in detail on this channel, Literature Camp. If you have internet pack, simply you can watch the classes. You can already watch the classes I uploaded on this channel. If you are new to my channel, you can be in this camp, Literature Camp, to qualify effectively. Thanks for watching.